I'm about to show you how to embed, backlink, and syndicate thousands of videos on autopilot with just a couple minutes of setup, and every new video you have on every YouTube channel you have will automatically embed, backlink, and syndicate on autopilot. Three-tiered automation setup that you would want to do. So the first thing is you would want to do your yiveapp.com setup, and the Yive app will create up to 3,000 videos per month on autopilot. You basically just set up a script and you set up a template for it to be able to run. You pick your keywords that you want to target, and then it will automatically create the videos, automatically post them on several YouTube accounts, and then what you do after you create these, you set it up on your AutoSyndication to your Ytevolution website. All right, and so it's going to automatically populate every single video that you created for that niche. It's going to have a link to what you're targeting in that niche, and it's going to have a spun description of the keyword relevant articles that it's going to pull, and it's going to pull one paragraph out of each different article, and it's going to spin it with your spin rewriter. And then after that, I use Syndtrio SyndLab to syndicate it, and you can set it up automatically to use the plugin for WordPress, and it will automatically syndicate. And you see here, I set it up to syndicate the posts, and right here I set up 216, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So almost 2,100 syndications for all of the videos that I uploaded. So basically, I'm going to have 2,100 backlinks pointing to my website that I basically just set it up. I said automatically let it drip, and I'm going to have it drip like 3 to 15 backlinks per day automatically on 21 different social profiles. So it's going to automatically syndicate, embed, and backlink to my website, which automatically syndicates, embeds back to the YouTube channels and the videos, and they all link to the one product or promotion or CPA offer or local lead gen that I am targeting. And basically what it is it comes with a couple of plugins and themes that you are going to be able to put together to be able to utilize this very, very powerful strategy. The maker of this was saying, you know, that during his setup, he was able to generate $50,000 in revenue in a 12-month period doing the Ytevolution. And right here you see that right here he was doing a CBD site, and the CBD site is actually listed inside the training, and he was able to bring in $50,000 in CBD sales. And basically what he's doing is he's using the EVO cloaker, and he's ranking multiple CBD videos on this website. But anytime that they're on Google and they click on the link to go back to the website, it actually automatically, you're able to add channels, and they quickly import every single video from that channel. You can import one channel, 1,000 channels, or 10 channels, and it automatically uploads all the videos. It automatically puts the video, the description, and a spun article down below the description that will help you rank for relevant keyword terms, as well as being able to backlink and embed the video.